Hey, this is Pierre from NotionForms. In this video, I will show you how you can create your first NotionForms account and connect it to your Notion account. So from our homepage, you can click on Create Form to start creating your first account. After filling out the required information, I can click on Register. NotionForm is then going to ask me to log in with Notion to connect the Forms account and my Notion account. So here from this pop-up, I can choose the workspace I want to connect with NotionForms. I'm going to then select the pages I want to connect. So here in this case, I just want to select all the pages. And from then, NotionForm is going to ask me to create my first form. With the drop-down located on the left side of my screen, I am then going to be able to select a Notion table I want to create my first form with. So I'm going to click on the drop-down, and here I can see that I don't have an option available yet. Sometimes Notion takes a while to connect with my NotionForms. So to finish my setup, I am going to go to my settings on my account and the workspace tab, where I'm going to reconnect my Notion workspace. So here, same process. I'm going to select the workspace I want to connect with and allow access to the pages and make sure that I've checked the pages I wanted to connect. So I'm going to click Allow Access. And now that I've reconnected my workspace, I can click on it and then create a new form. Here on the left-hand side, I have the same drop-down to select a Notion table. I'm going to click on it, and now I can see that my contacts Notion form table is available. We have a little tour to show you how to create your first form. But in this case, if I just want to create the first form, I can see that the two fields I had in my table. If I go to my table here, I can see I have a name and email. That NotionForms already has found those fields, and I can just create my first form.